Hi students, we have first exercise of this chapter where we are going to learn how we can sample our existing surface in profile view, and we will learn how to create offset profiles in Civil 3D. Working with surface information is the most elemental method of creating profile. This information can represent any of the surface already in your drawing, such as an existing surface or any number of other surface derived data sets. Surfaces can also be sampled at offset, as we will see in this exercise. For this, just open 701 exercise practice drawing from the description link. If you did not get it, please write down in the comment box. I will drop you with this drawing, and once you will open, you will see our real-time project where we are developing roads, lots, and everything. As you know, in the previous chapter we already learned about parcel creation, surfaces, and alignments. If you did not go through there and start from the chapter number 1. Okay, let's start this exercise. We have alignments and alignment for road profile view, for road A. How we will do, just go here for profile and create surface from profile. Okay, then we must need to now create a profile from surface dialog box. If you see here, the upper left quadrant is where we will specify the alignment. We can select the alignment from a drop down list, or the quick button to select from the drawing. The station range area shows the starting and end station of the alignment and sets the to sample range automatically beginning to the end of alignment. So we can control it manually, entering the station range in the to sample text boxes, or graphically in the drawing by using the pick buttons provided here. The second thing, the upper right corner is where we specify the surface that will be sampled and allows you to add simple offset here. So we can select a surface from the list, or we can click the pick on screen button from there. Beneath the select surface boxes is sample offsets. The offset are not applied in the left and right direction uniformly. We must enter a negative value to sample to the left of the alignment, or a positive value to sample to the right. So you will see how we can put sample offset values in this exercise. Then if we move down here, the profile list box, okay, it display all profile associated with the alignment currently selected in the alignment drop down menu. This area is generally statics, but you can modify if the update moved layer styles columns by clicking the appropriate cell in this table. We can stretch and rearrange the columns to customize the view, and the columns can be modified in this location only as they are created. Upon returning to the create profile from surface dialog, the profile previously created will have static values and can be changed in the profile properties dialog instead. Okay, let's move to the exercise. Now select road A from the alignment drop down list if it is not already selected. Then in the select surface box here, select MC3D, this surface. Okay, and then to add the center line profile to the profile list here. Then text box next to the sample offset and write here minus 7.62 comma space then 7.62 meter offset, where we need these two offset, one minus for the left side and plus for the right side. Then click add. In the profile list, select the cell in the style column that correspond to the negative left side. Okay, and to activate the pick profile style dialog box, if you need, you can widen column here, so you can do so by double clicking the line between the column heading. Okay, select the left sample profile from the drop down list and click OK to dismiss the pick profiles dialog box. Again, you will see a style has been changed from existing ground profile to left sample profile in table. Again, for the right side, select the cell in the left style column that correspond to the positive offset to activate the pick profile dialog box. Then select right sample profile from drop down list and click OK to dismiss the pick profile dialog. Now click draw in profile view to dismiss this dialog and open create profile view wizard. Just verify here that the select alignment drop down list shows road A, and then lens desktop profile view is selected here from the profile view style drop down list. On the create profile view station range, if you click next, then you will see station range wizard page. Verify that the automatic option has been selected here, then click next. Okay, open the create profile view on the profile view height wizard page. Verify that the automatic option has been selected and then press next. We will cover split profile views in the later exercise. On the create profile view profile display option here, look at the setting but do not make any changes for now and then click next. Okay, on the create profile view data bands wizard page, verify that band set is set to EGFD elevation and station. Notice in the set band properties here area that the profile 1 and profile 2 columns are both set M. If you expand them, you will see a surface like this in these two columns, so it's fine and just leave them as it is. We will look at data bands in the greater detail in a bit later. Notice that you could continue to click next to step through the remainder of the wizard. However, you have no need to adjust further options at this time. Just click the create profile view button to dismiss the wizard. Okay, pick a point on the screen somewhere to the right of the side to draw the profile view like this. If the event tab is panorama appears telling you that you have sampled data or an error in the sampling needs to be fixed, then click the green check mark or the cross to dismiss the panorama. So profiles are dependent on the alignments they are derived from, so they are stored as profile branches under the their parents alignment on the prospector tab. We will see how they look like. So by maintaining the profiles under the alignment, it is much simpler to review that has been sampled and modify for each alignment. Note that the profile from surface that you just created are dynamic and continuously update. So you will see in the next steps. Okay, from the view tab here, model viewport panel here, and from the drop down list of the viewport configuration, select 2 horizontal. Okay, like this. On the prospector tag, expand the alignment. Now just activate the top viewport, and on the prospector tab under the alignment, then center line alignment, you will see road A. Select and zoom, right click and then zoom to. So it will zoom to the road A alignment. Now click in the bottom viewport to activate it and expand the alignment, center line alignment, and then road A, profile views of road A, right click to the road A2 and then zoom to. Your screen should look like this. Upper viewport have alignment, then the down viewport have profiles. So now click on the top viewport, zoom out little like this, and pick the road A alignment to activate the grids. Okay, and stretch the western end grids to lengthen or move the alignment like this. Just click to complete the edit, and the profile view automatically, if you notice, it's adjust automatically to reflect the changes in the starting point of the alignment. Just note that the offset profile views move dynamically as well with alignment. So just press Ctrl Z enough time to undo the movement of your alignment and return to its original location. Now we can go back to the view configuration and select single. You can also do that from here, from the viewport setting, but we can do it something like this. So this is how we can create central line alignment of existing profiles, existing surface profiles, and existing offset profiles with the center line profile to compare them with each other. By maintaining the relationship between the alignments, the surface, the sample information, and the offset, the software creates a much more dynamic feedback system for designer. This system can be useful when you are analyzing a situation with the number of possible solutions where the surface information will be deciding factor in the final location of the alignment. Once you have selected a location, you can use these profile views to create a vertical design, as we will see in the next exercise. So stay tuned with us for the design profiles and many more in the next exercises.